Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're building a serious home theater and want that cinema-style Dolby Atmos sound without ceiling speakers, today's bundle is something special. This is the Klipsch reference R-26FA Dolby Atmos floor-standing speaker pair with the R-12SW 12-inch subwoofer, a premium tower speaker and deep bass combo designed for powerful, room-filling sound. Let's start with the tower speakers. The Klipsch R-26FA are full-size floor-standing speakers with built-in Dolby Atmos height channels. That means you don't need extra speakers mounted on your ceiling. The upward-firing Atmos drivers reflect sound off the ceiling to create overhead effects, giving you true three-dimensional audio. Each tower uses Klipsch's signature Tractrix horn-loaded tweeter, which is known for high efficiency, clarity, and dynamic sound. This design allows the speakers to play louder with less distortion, making them ideal for movies, action scenes, and large living rooms. The dual copper-spun woofers handle mids and lows with authority. Dialogue sounds crisp and natural, music feels open and detailed, and effects move smoothly across the soundstage. Whether it's explosions, rain, or aircraft flying overhead, the Atmos effect adds a real sense of height and immersion. Now let's talk bass. The Klipsch R-12SW 12-inch powered subwoofer brings serious low-end performance. With its large driver and powerful internal amplifier, it delivers deep, punchy bass that you can feel. Explosions hit harder, soundtracks feel richer, and the entire system gains weight and realism. This bundle is perfect for pairing with an AV receiver that supports Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, making it an excellent foundation for a 5.1.2 or 7.1.2 home theater setup. The towers can easily serve as your front left and right speakers while handling both standard and height channels. Another big advantage is efficiency. Klipsch speakers are highly efficient, meaning you don't need an extremely powerful amplifier to get loud, clean sound. This makes them suitable for a wide range of AV receivers. Design-wise, the speakers feature a clean, modern black finish with exposed copper woofers, classic Klipsch styling that looks premium in any home theater room. Overall, if you want powerful tower speakers, real Dolby Atmos height effects, and deep, room-shaking bass, this Klipsch reference bundle delivers a true cinematic experience at home. You'll find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and support the channel by buying through the link.